All right. So, hey guys, Local John 1812. Robert. Brandon. John G's not with us. He is at on the road with his grandfather out doing a truck driving thing and having fun, getting to see some stuff. So, love you, son. Hope you're safe. We are at Dairy Queen, and we are going to be reviewing one of their summertime flavor blizzards. This one happens to be the s'mores.
Yes.
It's got a vanilla ice cream and
I believe they say chocolate chunks. Some like graham cracker crumbs and then marshmallows.
So pretty similar if you were to make
s'mores at a camping trip.
Exactly. And they run you $3.29, and I'll try to set you guys down so you can see us all in one shot here. I'll have to go around and maybe see if it's showing all of us. Let me see. You keep looking this way. Yep, there we go. Well, no, wait a minute. I'll fix it. Make sure. Okay. Raise it back up. That'll probably do it. Okay. All right. So we're back completely. And you guys know how I am. I'm on the fly. I just do whatever I can. So, all right. So here's the inside of it there. That's what it looks like. I mean, traditional, what it looks like, melting ice cream at this point. We're outside. Just right over there is the Dairy Queen. So, right over, yep, there is the Dairy Queen. So the only thing we know, it's $3.29 for a small, right? The mini was like $2.89, and I didn't see what the large price was. So, only thing now is, you know what's in it, you know where we're at, you know how much it costs, but what does it taste like? So here we go. Oh, wow. I mean, it's like they nailed that spot on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You guys recently went camping. Did you have s'mores?
Yeah, we had s'mores. Really good, but this is freaking amazing.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
What do you give it? Like, what are you thinking about it so far? What's your opinion?
Like, I like how you can taste the chocolate, the marshmallow, and the graham cracker, and the ice cream all in one swoop in one taste.
Right. I agree. What do you think, Robert?
Good overall, but my problem is that the graham cracker is slightly overpowering the flavor of the rest of the
So you get a little bit more of the graham cracker than...
Yes.
I actually think it's really good. I agree with Brand. I'm not getting the overpowering taste of the graham cracker. Now, these people pour these different parts into each one, so maybe she might have poured it a little bit too much into yours or something, you know. So I would say overall, though, it's pretty darn good. The price isn't too bad, $3.29. So I'm happy with it. I really like it. Let me ask Brand first. Brand, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, what do you give the s'mores summertime blizzard from Dairy Queen?
About 9.9.
That's a pretty good rating. Robert?
Maybe an 8.5.
8.5? I'm going to have to go with Brand here. 9.5. It's probably one of the best ones I've had in a while. I really like it. I mean, it's just fantastic. I think Little John would have really liked to taste it. We've had the Jurassic Chomp. That was pretty good too. So I might put that video in this link that you can go back to it and check that one out, because since they match. So, all right, guys, that's what I have today. We did the s'mores blizzard, limited time blizzard for their, is it summertime or summer blend flavors?
I think it's summertime.
Summertime at Dairy Queen. So we did the s'mores. Basically an 8.5 to about a 9.5 is the rating, so it's a pretty good rating. So, but all right, that's all I got tonight, guys. So don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
comment,
And comment about it. And
Yeah.
And you should go out and try it.
yeah, exactly. Thank you, Brand, and share. So until next time, guys, I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye, guys.
Take care. Bye.